It got to the new blue versus Bissell.
All right, so this is the battle of the budget-friendly robot vacuums. We have the Bissell on the left and the XIEBro on the right. And Wyatt's gonna get them started and see which one cleans better. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Bissell's dustbin.
Bissell's doing pretty good over there. The blue one is kind of having a hard time with the confetti, isn't it, Wyatt?
It's already full.
Already full.
Yeah, let me see it. Yep, I'll try it.
Wow, so that dustbin isn't quite as big as the Bissell's.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go empty it.
Okay. The Bissell's doing a really good job.
Yeah. Oh, it's clogged out, so that's why it's not sucking.
Oh, goodness.
That's why it's not sucking, because it's not clogged.
All right, let's see how it does now. Oh,
Oh, Bissell.
is Bissell full?
Let's see. Oh, yeah, he is.
Wow, that one did a good job.
Yeah. He's back, Bissell. It's all clogged up here.
That one's clogged too?
Never mind.
No?
I mean, Bissell does a great job.
Yeah.
Bissell does not really do a good job on the edges.
I was just thinking that, Wyatt.
Yeah. But the blue's doing good.
Doing better now that he's not clogged anymore.
I'm gonna try to get it all out the edge and see if we can clean it up. Okay, he's done again.
What does that beeping mean? That he's full or he just thinks he's done?
He thinks he's done. The blue's doing a good job. Let's go. I'm gonna see his dustbin. That's cool.
Oh yeah.
The blue does have a good section. When we did Lulu versus iRobot, the dustbin was too small.
Yep, I think you're right.
Because blue dustbin is kind of the same blue is.
Yeah, it's on the smaller side.
I mean, the Bissell does a better job than the blue.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to give the win here to the Bissell.
Yep.
Although you're right about the edges. He does have a hard time getting those edges.
Yeah. But he did a good job.
Good job, Bissell.